Hi guys, welcome to your math lesson for the day. Today we're going to be starting a new topic, topic 10, and we're going to be focusing on multiples of 10 and how we can multiply multiples of 10. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at our learning goal for the day, our lesson essential question. It says, how can I use patterns to find products for multiples of 10? So let's take a look at this word patterns right here. When we talk about a pattern, what are we looking for? Right, we're looking for things that repeat. So a pattern is something that repeats itself. Now, a pattern could be your skip counting when we talk about our multiples, when we're skip counting by threes, 3, 6, 9, 12, and so on. Those would be patterns, something that's repeating. We're multiplying by 3 each time. So when we're talking about multiples of 10, we're going to be looking for patterns, and one of those patterns is when we skip count by tens, or we multiply by 10, we always have a 0 in the ones place. Okay, so that's a pattern that you will look for. So remember, a pattern is something that repeats. So how can I use patterns to find products? Remember, a product is the answer to a multiplication problem. So products are your multiples. So that's one way, multiples. And we also know that is the answer to multiplication. So for example, if you have 8 times 40, your answer would be 320, or the product would be 320. And we're talking about multiples of 10. And if you look at our anchor chart right here, it says the multiple is the product of a number multiplied by another number. For example, 10, 20, and 30. All right. So after you watch this lesson, there is another video for you guys to watch, which really goes over what you will see in lesson 10-1. So make sure you go in to Schoology and you click on the next video and watch it completely, because it'll walk you through how to do lesson 10-1. All right, if you have any questions, make sure you let your teacher know. Have a great day, guys.